Good morning, everybody. How you doing this morning? I'm going to be reading and explaining today. Today's going to be kind of short because, as you all know, I'm still in school, so therefore, I have tests that I need to, take. So today, I'm just going to be reading out of our daily bread. So, and then I'm going to be explaining a little bit. All right, here we go. On the way home from church, my daughter sat in the back seat enjoying crackers goldfish crackers, goldfish crackers as my other children employed her to share. Trying to redirect the conversation, I asked the hoarder of snacks, "What did you do in class today?" She said they made a basket of bread and fish because a child gave Jesus 5 loaves and 2 fish, and Jesus used it to feed more than 5,000 people. That was kind of the little boy to share. Do you think maybe God is asking you to share your fish? I asked. No, Mama, she replied. I tried to encourage her not to keep all the crackers to herself. She was unconvinced. There is not enough for everyone. Sharing is hard. It is easier to hold on to what we see in front of us. That means if I have a box of cookies, if somebody wants some, that's me. It's kind of hard to share those cookies. Perhaps we do the calculation and reason there is simply not enough for everyone. If there are six cookies in the box, 6 people, 7, 8 people, only about 4 or 5 of them will get cookies. And the assumption is that if I give, I will be left wanting. That's like me. I used to share a lot. Chips, cookies, candy, you name it. I used to give chips away, and then I still want some. I gave away money, and I still wanted some. So basically, that's what that is. Paul reminds us that all we have comes from God. That means the earth, the food, everything. Everything God gave us, who wants to enrich us in every way so that we can be generous. The math of heaven isn't a calculation of scarcity, but the abundance. We can share joyfully because God promises to care for us, even as we are generous to others. That means God will take care of you. God will do anything He needs to, as long as you share. Like me, I was reading this, and I decided to share it with you guys. And this right here especially moves me because I can relate to it. If you don't know, I have a little sister, and she used to ask me for everything. And I used to joke like, I used to be like, don't ask me nothing else because you're not getting it. And there I was, and I'll give it right to her. Me, my birthday is December 18th. I am a Sagittarius. We're generous. We love giving stuff. We love giving stuff. So, all of my Sagittarius out there, you kind of like, you already generous. You already share, no matter what. Some of the signs they share also, but sharing is important. Sharing is it's like if I read something good, I'm gonna share it with you guys. If I read something out of the daily bread, I'm gonna share it with you. Now if Bobby, basically what the story saying if Bobby has a bag of hot fries and Susie, Tommy, and Jill want some, he don't think it's gonna be enough because it's only like a little small bag. But what he doesn't know, even though he did share, he will get his blessing. He's sharing. Like God is sharing this earth with us. He's sharing the animals that we need, that necessarily that we need to survive. He's sharing that with us. Let's go back to whenever she said the little boy gave 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish, and Jesus was able to feed that to 5,000 people. Do you know how much Jesus had to share? That's if my math is correct, I believe that's 10 cents to 50. And that's a lot of people. Honestly, that is a lot of people. And like, oh, yeah, 500, my bad. Can't talk today. It's 10 cents to 500, my bad. Math, terrible at math. But like today, God shared with us this beautiful morning. Although it is cold, yes it is, but it's beautiful. It's clear. It's the clearest I've seen it all week. Like yesterday, it was kind of cloudy, but today is a nice, beautiful day outside. So what I'm saying is, make sure you share. If you have something delicious, my mom and dad, they share a lot. And one thing I really wanted to say throughout this whole video is sharing is caring. God cares about us because He's sharing all these things with us. Food, plants. You know, without plants, we will probably be dead. So God has provided us with the plants and any other thing that can reverse carbon dioxide. And so that's gonna wrap it up for this lesson. This is one of my favorite lessons because, as I said before, I relate. So guys, I hope you all have a nice, beautiful afternoon, morning, and if you go to school, I hope you have a wonderful day at school. I'm Brother, and I'll see you in the next one. Are you ready to go?